Uxbridge is a township in the Regional Municipality of Durham in south central Ontario. The main attractions are York Durham Heritage Railway, which is a tourist train between Stouffville and Uxbridge. Uxbridge Historic Centre. It is also known as the Trail Capital of Canada. It has Elgin Park, three key resorts. Source online.
So we are here in Uxbridge. We came for the heritage train ride, but because not a lot of people enrolled for it, there's no train ride today. Here is some information on the Uxbridge heritage train ride, and this is where you get the tickets, and the museum is also in here in the back. And I think this is one of the trains that we would go. So it says York Durham Heritage Railway.
The railway operates excursion trains over a 20-kilometer route between the historic towns of Stouffville and Uxbridge. Trip takes about 2.5 hours. Coaches include both vintage heavyweight built in 1910, 1920s and lightweight cars from 1954. It has entertainment car, snack car, baggage car. They have spring, summer, fall and winter events. Some of the fall and winter events are Santa Express train ride, the North Pole Light Up Express, Bethlehem Express, the Nativity on Rails. Tickets can be purchased online. Information online.
Even public transit comes here. There is a bus stop for Go Bus. So if you don't have your own transportation, you can definitely use public transport. You can see a lot of old, really old trains are here, and this section is the museum, and I think the ticket counter is in the front. This stone, there is a beautiful poem, and it reads this way: the title, the ties that bind. From this station the young went off to war, many of whom were seen no more. In times of peace families used the train to leave Uxbridge and come back again. Adventurous souls left for new jobs in the West, while others returned to see loved ones laid to rest. In the past, trains played a big role, transporting freight and passengers get to and fro. The station has seen much love and emotion. Some days have been silent and others filled with commotion. The railway was our link to far off places, and over time has viewed both old and new faces. And the poem is written by Siobhan Brown. So if you see on the floor, there is a game here that we used to play in when we were little kids. Let's see if I still remember or can do it. So we are in downtown Uxbridge and we're hungry. So we're gonna eat some veggie pizza and some chicken wings from Domino's and just enjoy the afternoon. So see the store puts clothing. They put a little note here. It says brighten our day and decorate our sidewalk. And they have some chalks. And some people have drawn some little stuff.